Arvind Kejriwal now at the Delhi Secretariat. He's taken office and he's going to be chairing a meeting of his cabinet at 2 p.m. just about an hour from now. He says that the first thing he's going to do now that he's in office is to pass an executive order to make 700 liters of free water for all Delhiites a reality on day one itself. He wants to hit the ground running. In the last 1 hour, we've seen him first take oath, make a quick stopover at Rajghat to pay tribute there, and now he's already at the Delhi Secretariat.
माइक नहीं सर बाहर आके
Atir Khan, my colleague, now joins us from the Delhi Secretariat. Atir, what's going to be happening over the next 1 hour? We believe the priority for Arvind Kejriwal is to at least come good on the first few promises that he's made. He's got a long list, 18 things that he's promised Delhiites, but he wants to make at least a few of them a reality in the next couple of days itself.
Well, that's right. We know that he's conscious of the fact that the expectations of people are quite high, and he has to live up to them. And that is why in this speech he had mentioned about this point, and he said that he also sought inspiration from God, that he's able to fulfill the dreams of people which he has at the back of his mind now. A little while ago he's entered the Delhi Secretariat. It's a historic moment that any regional party CM has entered Delhi Secretariat. There are two gates for the entry to the Secretariat. The one is the normal gate from where the Chief Minister enters. So he's taken that route. There was a cavalcade in which he was escorted and taken inside the building. Now clearly he's going to go upside. He's going to go inside his room. And as you rightly pointed out, in the afternoon he's going to hold a cabinet meeting. Only 1 minute ago, Manish Sisodia just entered from the other gate where I'm standing at the moment, and then there will be a series of meetings, first with the cabinet, and then of course he would also like to meet all the secretaries in the government.